Pag-usapan naman natin ang about sa advance to principal. So, what's up sa inyong lahat? I'm Mark, your property specialist that will give you tips and advice regarding sa pag-a-avail ng property. So, advance to principal is a payment which is directly deducted to your loan or to your principal loan. All financing is allowed to do advance to principal, pero take note, each financing have their own terms. So for me, the best way before making advance to principal payment is talk to your lender or loan officer para malaman natin or malaman nyo kung ano nga ba ang terms nila regarding sa advance to principal. Ano nga ba ang advantage ng advance to principal payment? So number 1, reduce your loan balance faster. Number 2, decrease total interest over time. And number 3, mas mapapaikli niya yung loan term ninyo. So, technically, advance to principal is the most efficient way para mas makatipid and mas mapabilis ang pagtapos ng housing loan ninyo. And ito naman yung mga tips if you want to make advance to principal payments. So number 1, notify your lender clearly to avoid misunderstanding regarding sa ginawa niyong payment. So number 2, some lender required written requests or they provide forms that you need to fill up para ma-recognize nila na yung payment na ginawa nyo is for advance to principal. So always check on this one if needed talaga siya. And number 3, keep your proof of payment and advance to principal confirmation from your lender or loan officer. And if may question ka pa about sa pag-avail ng property, just comment down below. Pag-usapan natin yan.